Bangladesh has launched its first metro rail service in Dhaka in late December 2022. Mass rapid transit system has been welcomed by people of all sectors as safe and environment friendly. Residents of the crowded city hope their new metro service will help cut commuting time and pollution in the Dhaka city. Today, most Dhaka residents rely on buses, cars, and different types of rickshaws to get around. Dhaka is one of the world's least motorized cities with only about 127 vehicles per 1,000 residents. However, heavy air pollution and heat trapping often make Dhaka's streets feel like gas chamber. Meanwhile, the Bangladesh has taken several steps to clean up Dhaka's air. The metro rail can be a major step of cutting air pollution and is expected to provide a reliable transport option for the city's rising population. Transport accounts for around 10% of Bangladesh's greenhouse gas emissions. Bangladesh government has committed to cut the sector's emissions by just over 9% by 2030. Experts are hopeful and expect that the mass transit rail system would reduce carbon emissions and curb sound and air pollution, driving positive environmental impacts in the Bangladesh capital.